If you're having trouble accessing your Revolut account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Revolut app or website. Open the Revolut app on your mobile device or go to the Revolut website. Look for the login option to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter the email address associated with your account to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset link from Revolut. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the link to proceed with resetting your password. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot access your email or do not receive the reset link, contact Revolut customer support. Use the in-app chat feature or visit the support page to explain your situation and request assistance. Step 5. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity when contacting support. This may involve providing personal information, answering security questions, or submitting identification documents to confirm your identity. Once you've completed these steps, follow any additional instructions provided by customer support to regain access to your account. Remember to keep your recovery information updated to avoid future issues.